So what you need is 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of semolina, about 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of baking powder, tiny bit, and 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. Let's mix it up. It smells amazing. While we're mixing that up, we're gonna make the syrup. So you need equal amounts of sugar and water. 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. If you want to add the taste to it, add saffron. Afghan saffron is the best saffron in the world. You need to mix it up so you don't see the sugar anymore. When you're done mixing, divide it into equal parts and then make balls out of it. So these are some of the balls we already made. So you're gonna need to use some oil, because if you don't use the oil, it's gonna get it's not gonna turn out too good. So when you're ready, you're gonna fry it to make it golden brown on low heat. It already looks really yummy. So just keep on moving it around till it gets golden brown. Whoa, I think it's golden brown already, so we're gonna do it for a little bit longer, and when this is done, we're gonna put it in the syrup. You put them all in, you're gonna soak it in for about 1 hour. So just for a correction, guys, the milk I put in was not 5 to 6 tablespoons, it was 3 to 4 tablespoons. See you in 1 hour. Okay guys, the Gulab Jamun is ready, so let's try some. You want to have some?
Yeah. Mashallah.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. This is a really good recipe.
But wait, give a like and subscribe.
Yeah, bye.